So guess what's on Netflix? Sonic Boom. Yep. I've never seen Sonic Boom before. I heard it's pretty good. Um, it's I seen some clips of like Sonic and Shadow fighting each other, which is pretty damn cool. Um, yeah. For those who don't know, Christian Weston Chandler does not like Sonic Boom because Sonic's arms are blue, and you can see why. Because the arms are supposed to be um, tan, like in the video games or in like other Sonic cartoon series. But I personally don't have a problem with Sonic's arms being blue. It's just character design. Oh yeah, a little fun fact too. There's even a episode. Oh shit! I got copyrighted. I hope I don't get copyright. There's even an episode of an episode that's based off of Christian Weston Chandler called "The Biggest Fan," which is Mark the Taper. Um, yeah, and he also wears the Christian Weston Chandler shirt ish, and he also was drawing a Sonic art and wanted the arms to be tan. So it is a Christian Weston Chandler reference. So it's pretty damn funny. Fuck. Um yeah. Like it's so dope. Um like they had the balls to do that to make fun of Christian Weston Chandler, you know. And also because what Sega did, well, not Sega, because of GameStop, because since there were a lot of Sonic Boom merchandise, Christian Weston Chandler was complaining about Sonic's arms being blue. What the fuck do we expect? Yeah.